creative community, I am Mugsy and welcome to my art channel MugsyMakes. Today we're making rheoscopic fluid bottles, which I use these for meditation, and you can also use them just to kind of zen out or even use them as a timer. That way you can shake it up and then when it stops moving, you're done meditating or doing whatever project you were doing. These are really fun to do and I hope you guys give them a try out. There's only 3 ingredients. One of them being the glass bottle, some mica powder, and distilled water. The reason I use distilled water is I do in all of my art just so that we don't have problems with mildew later on. Go ahead and use some adhesive like E6000 and glue your caps on. And then just keep these out of really extreme temperatures like cold or hot. You don't want it to freeze. If you're looking for a very affordable, convenient way to get therapy services, please check out my sponsor, BetterHelp. BetterHelp has licensed therapists and 4 communication modes: text, chat, phone, and video. This makes it really nice to be able to jump on and speak with your therapist, not take that drive and the nervousness and the anxiety you get when you do go to therapy. I really like this service. I've been using it here for a little while and I definitely recommend it to you guys. Check it out and again, use my link. BetterHelp is secure, convenient, professional, and affordable, and you can even get financial aid, which can bring your costs down to as low as $35. BetterHelp is available on desktop, mobile web, Android, and iOS apps. You must be 18 or older. This is not a crisis line. If you or somebody you know is in crisis, please see the links below. BetterHelp is a great tool to use for the greater good because taking care of yourself is so important so you can take care of others. So give these rheoscopic bottles a try. You can go ahead and use a plastic water bottle to make this a little more kid friendly. Mica powder is just mineral powder that they use in cosmetics and shampoo. It's kind of what gives shampoo that silky look. Mica does this in water because it's a non-soluble, so it doesn't mix with water, and this is really quite cool looking. The video doesn't do it justice, or the pictures. You just gotta make one for yourself. And I know a lot of you guys have that mica powder in your arting supplies, so I didn't have to use too much. A little goes a long way. The bigger bottles I put a couple little scoops in, but just kind of play with it. You can always add. The yellow bottle that I show here is black light sensitive, UV sensitive. What I did is I used a Sharpie highlighter and took out the little pad that they have there and dropped it in and let the ink soak into the water. Sharpie marker, especially the name brand, is really vibrant in UV light, and also mineral water is quite reflective or quite reactive in UV light, so you should check that out. We do that a lot in Halloween for our apothecary settings. Alright you guys, give this a try. I want to see your pictures and let me know what you think. Alright you guys, have a fantastic rest of your week and go out and create something for the greater good. You know I love you. Bye.